We're so glad you've joined us in giving nature a helping hand. Our Essential Bee Hotel isn't just a lovely addition to your garden or balcony, it's a small but meaningful way to invite more life in. By creating a cozy space for bees to nest and reproduce, you're helping nature to stay in balance and enjoying the buzz of life at the same time. Let's take a closer look at our Essential Bee Hotel. The Bee Hotel is made up of a beautifully crafted exterior house, a matching interior house, and a bamboo filling. This product has one unique side which is specifically intended for bees. The bamboo is thoughtfully designed for its purpose and developed with the best experts in Europe, ensuring it's the best product for bees. The exterior easily clicks onto the interior piece, like so, and your Bee Hotel is all set to welcome its new residents. The back of the Bee Hotel can then simply be mounted onto a wall using a screw or to a tree using the straps. And now, to help the bees feel at home, follow these easy steps. The best time to set up your insect hotel is in early spring, just as insects begin to emerge from hibernation. Your Bee Hotel requires no cleaning. Just replace the bamboo after a few seasons to keep it in top shape. For the best results, position your Bee Hotel facing east or southeast to catch the morning sun while staying sheltered from wind and rain. If you have multiple insect hotels, place them close together to encourage more activity and greater species diversity. Give your Bee Hotel some breathing room. Place it at least 3 meters away from bird feeders and preferably even a little more. A simple step that will make a big impact. Enjoy the buzz of nature.